Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with a discussion about our two most popular topics, nose blackheads and ear blackheads. That's right, of the 900,000 search impressions our page had last month, 8 of the top 10 search terms were some combination of the words nose and ear blackheads. Apparently, you love both. On a side note, dilated pores of Weiner and pimple popping round out the top 10. So which do you like more? Would you rather see ear blackheads like this? Or would you rather see nose blackheads like this? Let's look at various examples of each. So, do you want to guess our other top search terms? The top 12 searches were all some sort of blackhead or pimple popping combo video. Numbers 13 and 15 were tonsil stone and tonsil stones. Yuck. And number 14 is steatocystoma. Steatocystoma multiplex is a benign autosomal dominant congenital condition resulting in multiple cysts on a person's body. Steatocystoma simplex is the solitary counterpart to steatocystoma multiplex. Here are a few more examples. All of these stats are based on the search results from our channel called All Star Medical. I guess we should change our name to All Star Blackheads, as you love those open comedones. And thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Please make sure to click the notification bell for all our updates. Adam and I are dedicated to helping educate and inform the general public and destigmatize health and dermatological conditions. By sharing our videos, you become part of the team. So thanks for watching. Let's grow together. But in a good way, not in a nail fungus kind of way. Hey there, Pimple Popper fans. If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional Comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.